Hey guys, what's up? It's Ramajam 1000 here.
Hey.
Doing a video on the Luxe and the Feather Touch screw. Basically, how it actually does make a very significant difference. I got my Luxe back, by the way, as you notice. Just tried out the NT. But anyway, so what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to take it apart, show you where the Feather Touch is, show you that it's in, but first I'm going to shoot with it out, and then I'll put it back in and shoot with it in, okay? So yeah, let's first take it apart, and then so let's go. Alright guys, so here is the Luxe all apart. You see grip frame and the solenoid. So if you look in here, trying to really focus, but right there is the, oh here we are. Alright, so right there, that silver screw is the Feather Touch screw. So it is in, and we're going to take it out right now. So here's the ones. Oh, no, need a size bigger, sorry. Right. Okay, so there, oh, almost. So here's the Feather Touch screw out. As you see here, just slip it inside the grip. I'm just gonna set the Feather Touch screw. If you look, that little silver screw in there, there it is. That's the Feather Touch screw. See here, I took it out of the solenoid, not in there. Right, so let's bring it outside and shoot it. Show you the sound difference it makes. So here it is again. Alright, my Luxe is taken apart again. See here, Feather Touch is out. We're going to slip it back in. Nope, smaller one, sorry. Hold on. Right, I think this is it. Nope. Right, hold on. Here it is. Okay, so taking the Feather Touch out. Right, and then putting it inside the DLX Luxe. Right, so did you see there? Feather Touch is back in the solenoid. Put it back together, and I'll show you the sound difference here with the Feather Touch in. And for those of you who don't know what the Feather Touch is, basically it's a screw that gets put into the solenoid. And let me just shut my door. Hold on. It's basically a screw that gets put into the solenoid, and there's two screws. If you look here, see if I can get focus. That one black screw in the noid, which is the solenoid, is right here. This piece, that little screw up here, that's the manifold screw. That stays in. Honestly, not too sure what that does. I forget. I did know. I'm blanking out. But the Feather Touch was basically up here a bit. It's a little silver screw, which simply reduces air going forward on the bolt. So it reduces the air to make the shot a lot quieter and smoother on paint. But if you take it, can be in or out, and if you take it out, it reduces the chances of first shot drop, but makes more air go towards and changes sound signature, so it's a bit louder and has a tendency to break more paint. I haven't had that bad of an issue because I usually play with it out, but I put it in and it sounds really nice. So yeah, that's basically all it is, and thanks for watching. Again, touch in. Again, touch in.